Say hey y'all. He turned up the paper. Okay. He had the paper in his hand. Hey y'all. Say hey cow bugs. Say hey man.
Piggy bank.
Yes, Kane says we have a piggy bank. Okay, Kane, be patient. He just burped because he just finished nursing. But there's cow bugs. That's right. Okay, Kane, be patient. We're almost done. Okay, let me hurry up and do this because Kane's gonna try to barge in. But here's cow bugs. Say hey man. Say hey buddy. Say hey. That's right, we sure did. Okay, Kane, be patient. Okay, so here's Kai Bugs. He is 6 months old. He's almost 7 months to be honest. He's about 6.5 months. And I know y'all have not seen us in a long time. And that's because we've been very, very, very busy. And you know, life with 3 kids is no joke. And not to mention, I took a little bit of a social media break for a while. So, but we're back. So here's Kai Bugs. Y'all have not seen him in a while. Hey, y'all have not seen him in a while. He had his appointment. He had his appointment last week. So I'll give you the stats from last week. Say hey, Bubba. So that's what he was crumpling up the paper a second ago. But okay. So Kylan last week was 17 pounds and 10 ounces. And he was in the 51st percentile for weight. And his height was 27 inches. And he was in the 62nd percentile. And his head circumference was 44.5 centimeters. And that was in the 81st percentile. So he's a pretty big turkey. I mean, well, I guess he's average weight. But a little above average height. And his head circumference is definitely above average. So, so yeah. So let's see. What else about you? And it has like a list of things that he should be doing at this age. And he's pretty much doing all of them. He's babbling. He smiles. He laughs. He squeals. He blows raspberries. He makes sounds like John swears up and down. He's already said dada. I'm not convinced. I haven't heard it yet. But John says he says dada. So we'll see. Let's see. He grasps at things and puts things in his mouth. Let's see. He rakes in small objects with an open hand. He lets go when he's disinterested. He rolls over from back to front and front to back. He stands when placed in position. Stands when placed in position. Okay, while you hold her in his arms, he does that. He sits with support. And this week, he honestly started sitting without support. He's eating my hair. But let's see. Has no head lag when pulled up to sit. And he doesn't. So he's on track for all this stuff. He's playing with my hair. He's obsessed with my locks. He loves trying to chew my hair. Okay, so let's see. What else about you, Turkey? You are still exclusively breastfed. He's only had a bottle twice, and he ate maybe half an ounce of the bottle when he did have it. I had a couple things I had to do the month before last, and he needed a bottle then. So, let's see. So you had a bottle a couple of times. I'm like hot. Okay, but he had a bottle a couple of times, and but he's still breastfed, y'all. He nurses every 2 hours now. And he did, look at his little hair, y'all. Isn't that a mess? His little hair is actually starting to grow back in. All this had come out. And his hair, I don't know what it wants to do, y'all. It's a little spriggy, little crazy hair. But let's see. So, what's I saying? You nurse every 2 hours. Oh yeah, he tried solids for the first time last week. I made some boiled eggs, and he kept, you know, wanting to hold them, or kept, you know, trying to get in my plate. So I gave him the yolks from it, and he was not a fan. He put it in his mouth. He was like, "What is that?" But so he tried egg yolks. He's had, what else? I think a piece of apple, like a little piece of apple. And that's about it, y'all. Like, he's not really a big solids person. He's not really big, you know, he's not big on solids yet, as he shouldn't be, you know. They say food before one is just for fun. So he's just pretty much picking off of whatever we eat. I guess from now on he will, you know, whatever. Like, there's some chicken or rice or something, and that's what we'll have. Like, we did baby-led weaning with Carson. And we plan to do that with this turkey. And what else, Bubba? He's obsessed with sticking his tongue out, y'all. He always sticks his tongue out. It's not like his mouth, it's not like his tongue is too big for his mouth or anything. So I don't know why he does it all the time. I think it just feels good to his gums. He's been teething to me, it seems like, for the past basically 2 months. But he doesn't have any teeth yet. And what else about you, turkey butt? Your hair's gotten long, it's getting curly. And actually, y'all, I know it looks like I never do anything to this baby's head, but I promise I brush it like 3 or 4 times a day because I'm trying to stimulate some hair growth back there. But I brush his hair all the time, and you can never tell. But this is actually his hair. His hair is actually maintenance today, so that's, I don't know what to do with it, y'all. His little hair is a mess. What else about you? I just think, once again, y'all, I just think he's so cute. I still say he looks a lot like me. Everyone else says he looks like John. I don't know. You just look like yourself, I guess, huh, Bubba? What else? Slobbery turkey. He's a sweetie poo. We all still love him, as we should. Carson and Kane are still obsessed with him. What else, Bubs? You're teething. You sleep. Well, he still gets up in the middle of the night. We do like dream feeding, but he gets up maybe once at night now that I'm, you know, aware of. What else, Bubba? You still co-sleep or bed share? You're in 6 to 9 month clothing. Let's see. Yes. 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 Mama just thinks you were too cute to be real. So there's the little Kai bugs, and there's Kane running down the hall, so we should probably go. But if y'all have any questions about him, there's him sticking his little tongue out again, y'all. Let's show him the little Kai bugs. Let's show him the Kai bugs. Let's show him the widowers of the Kai bugs. Oh, okay. There's Kylan. He's getting fussy. If y'all have any questions, comments, or concerns, leave below. If I left anything out, I'll put it in the bottom bar. All right, bye y'all. Say bye-bye. All right, bye y'all.